Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on auto detect workouts on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Workout Settings. Turn on the toggle below Auto Detect Workouts. Your watch will now automatically detect when you are working out and ask you if you would like to record it. Note that this is only compatible with walking and running workouts. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.